Hi guys, this is a girl Zama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As you can see, I did these ponytails. I did the braided ponytail and the curly ponytail. You see what I did there, guys. I hope you enjoyed watch this video. Watch it, guys, until you finish them. So yeah, to all my returning subscribers, my day one guys, thank you so much for showing your girls some love. I really appreciate. To all those who are new, guys, I welcome you to the family. Feel free, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe, guys, and don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section. If you're shy to write something, just leave a heart for me. I will really appreciate. So yeah, what I did in this video, I did this ponytail hairstyle. The first hairstyle I did the braided twisted ponytail, and then I removed it, and then I used that Kaylee Freedom. I only used one bundle of Freedom, the Kaylee one. So yeah, let me not talk too much, just watch the video, guys. You see what I did. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Love you.